Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, fischertechnik and robotics. This video is obviously focused on my walking robot Mirft2, made of fischertechnik, based on the TXT controller, running embedded Linux, programmed in Python and controlled via Wi-Fi. And because of that last point, I have to explain a new situation, which I can best do via screencast. In this screencast, I want to show what happened. First of all, I changed provider, which gives me not only the problem that I have to change addresses, but also to connect. Now, this is for most of the people a familiar address, but at my home situation, if you have watched my videos, you know that this is a more usual address for me. Now, I had to change into this, which gives me a problem with this robot. Because it is, if you watch my videos, then you know that this one is 133 and one is 134. That is the discovery. So how to connect to them? Well, fortunately, this is a laptop. It has a wired and a wireless interface. But it doesn't make it any easier, because when I want to connect to interfaces, it doesn't show the wireless one. So I had to set this one manually. Then connect to the normal connector access point that I usually do. Then try once again to connect, and that worked out. So now I'm going to connect to the usual one. And right, this should work better, and it does. Then with this one, I will do the same. So basically, I can still use the old network address on this controller, because I have a wireless that I have to set manually to some address. Otherwise, it would have been impossible. I would have had to reset the whole controller, and in the past it already proved that that is not easy thing to do. Anyway, another thing is that unfortunately when I tried to use the battery packs, they gave out quite fast. So right now I am on AC adapter, and this shows that last contact was in April. We're in July now. So that shows that there's quite some time gone, and it's 5. Time is 14:45 by now, and then I have to rethink the password, but we're getting there. Another thing is, which I realized later, and by now have corrected, I assigned the IP address of 22, but since my software is set for receiving everything to 139, I had to change my wireless connection to 139, so software keeps working. Anyway, I am ready to do some running anyway. Let's see whatever works. And to do some running, I have to quit this interface test. Go. Speed 500. And that was too fast. Yeah, I have disabled the camera, so that won't work. In the other robot, I already have enabled it again. All right, rattling of gears, but these lights are flashing, so that's good. Anyway, I have to change the code, because this is effectively an after convention video. So yeah, things don't work the way they should. I have to enable that interface to send everything, and then here a lot of code for the color, and right down here somewhere, yep, camera enabling. So I'll do that off camera. All adaptations of the code used for the convention are done. So I am going to restart everything, and then anyway, picture errors, etc. should be gone. But it will take some longer to start because the camera is taking 2.5 seconds to initialize. But it should be working. And then we get this kind of stuff. That's better. Once again, 500. And now it is actually working. And yeah, as you can see, there is no object, so everything should be black anyway. And I'm changing to red. And there it ends because there's something wrong. But I'm testing anyway. And it's black, as expected, because there's nothing to select. Which brings me to put the colored objects in place. Now the thing is, of course, that you noticed that the robot went astray again to the left. I can't help it. Tried many times, but that's the way it is, seemingly. Now let's see if this works, and this cable is from the camera you're watching it on, so let's go. Network error, no kidding. That's at least something. Please give me some nice images. That's an image, the original image. And which color? Red. And there is some red here, so it may have taken it with it. Let's just first take this one. See if it works anyway. Yeah, very nice. Then the result. Which is very nice as well. And unfortunately, oh right, I chose red, so I don't know if yellow and green are working. But considering the result of the discovery robot, I doubt they're working, but I can try anyway. And mask close is not defined. That's something to consider. What you cannot see from this point of view, maybe if I turn the camera like this, although no, it's not very likely that you can see it. Let me just camera position a little. The robot is leaning much forward, and that's a disadvantage. But as long as it walks, I'm fine with it. And now I have to choose either yellow or green. On the condition that it all works. Now it seems to work. Yeah, 500 again. And Dreamer into the JPEG file. Okay, I choose yellow. So let me choose yellow. And it's all black. So no, the values don't match. And that is indeed the yellow result thing. So no, not good. What to do with it? Well, still trying, just like with the other robot, to find the best filter results, array results, I should say, color results, and try to eliminate the black and keep the yellow and the green successfully. Until then, I have work to do. But I'm happy that with the change of the network address, I can still access them and keep those addresses of the robots the same. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up and click the bell for notification. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter, and you can support via PayPal, Ko-fi and by becoming a patron. Please visit my website for more projects on embedded systems and fischertechnik, and obviously this is going to be continued. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.